going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Normal People by Joji. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll curb stomp your entire family. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to figure out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and it's just using two different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an E flat major 7. You're going to bar the entire 6th fret, starting on the A string with your index finger. Ring finger is going to go on the 8th fret of the D string. Middle finger is on the 7th fret of the G string, and your pinky finger is on the 8th fret of the B string. Your second chord is going to be a B flat major. Bar the entire 6th fret now with your index finger. Your ring finger is on the 8th fret of the A, pinky finger is on the 8th fret of the D, and your middle finger is on the 7th fret of the G. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, up, twice through each chord. It looks like down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.